Hi everyone, this is Ajay Kumar. I'm motivational speaker. I'm little excited today. I got more than 200 likes on my Facebook page. So first of all, I would like to say thank you so much all of you for supporting me a lot. Today I'm going to talk about a boy who was born in Scotland. Before starting this story, I would like to request all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe, press bell icon so that you can get all the notifications all of my latest videos. His father was a poor handloom weaver, while his mother used to repair shoes of his neighbors for earning money to survive life. At the age of 12 years, he saw his father's business, factory, home, they were lost. They slept without meal. They didn't have food. They moved to America, where his father started working as a handloom weaver. But unfortunately, their business got collapsed. At the age of 13 years, the boy left school. This boy worked in a cotton mill. He used to go to his work before sunrise and came back late night, where he used to stay in a boiler room. The temperature of boiler room was very high, but still he was very happy because he was supporting his parents. After some time, he worked as a telegraph messenger. In a railway road also he worked. He gave his 100%. But he knew very well that if I want to become successful, I knew I need more knowledge, more skills. So that's why he started reading books from the local library. His boss was impressed. He suggested him to start his business. That time they required $500 investment. The boy got excited. He was happy when he realized he had only $50 in his wallet. He elaborated all these things to his mom. His mom sold his home and gave that money to her son because she believed that her son become successful. That first investment proved him successful. He got higher profit. He started investing money in businesses. After 30 years of that first investment, a poor handloom weaver's son and a cotton mill worker became the richest man in the world. His name is Andrew Carnegie, the founder of Carnegie Steel Company. So guys, people know this company nowadays by the name of US Steel. This company is the largest producer of the steel. It produces more than United Kingdom steel. So after some time, his mom passed away. He was very sad. He started leaving everything. He donated 90% of his wealth to the poor people. He wanted to help others. He built more than 2,500 libraries. That time, half of the libraries made by this person. So guys, do whatever you want to do. Believe in yourself. One day you will get success. I hope you like this video. If you like, please click on like button. If you did not like, please click on dislike button. But please tell me in comment box. Thank you so much.